file names in Unix. They need to be less than 255 characters. The good characters to use are capital A through capital Z, small a through small z, and the digits 1 through 9. The dot, the underscore, and the hyphen are also good characters to use. Avoid names that can be confused by the system as commands, arguments, or anything else that's the system recognizes as something else. For example, you might want to use file extensions, although they're not mandatory, because they make the file names look like something other than a command, because commands never have file extensions. Also, you wouldn't want to have a file name start with a hyphen, because that's what arguments start with. Most Unix systems are case sensitive. If it was case insensitive, but most Unixes are case sensitive, then as long as the same characters appear in both of them, it doesn't matter if they're capital or small, then they're the same file. Okay, so generally speaking, most Unixes are case sensitive. The Mac is not. However, if you create files on your Mac and then transfer them to another Unix which is case sensitive, then you will have problems. So just stick with small case letters. If you use uppercase letters, then you'd better be aware that for all practical purposes, you are creating a unique name that takes into account the capitalization of these letters that you capitalized. Also, even though I suggested that you don't use a space in a file name, if a file name or a directory name has a space in it, when you refer to that file name, you would need to \escape the space or use quotation marks around the file name or the directory name.